In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to replace the search icon with a search bar in your Shopify store. This customization can make product searches more visible and improve the shopping experience for your visitors. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Pastebin page that contains the custom code for the search bar. Once the page loads, click on the Raw button. This displays the code in plain text format so you can copy it correctly without formatting issues. Now highlight the code and copy it to your clipboard. Next, open your Shopify admin dashboard and log in to your account. From the left side menu, click on Online Store. Once the themes page appears, locate your active theme. Now click on the three-dot menu beside your theme and select Edit Code. This will open the Shopify code editor where you can customize your theme files. Inside the code editor, use the search bar on the left side and type header. From the search results, click on the file named header, liquid. This file controls the top section of your Shopify store, including the search functionality. Now press Ctrl and F on Windows or Command and F on Mac to open the search tool inside the editor. Type render header into the search field to quickly locate the section responsible for the search icon. Once you find the correct code area, carefully replace the existing search icon code with the custom code you copied earlier from Pastebin. This modification will swap the default search icon for a full search bar in your store header. After pasting the new code, click Save to apply the changes. Finally, click View Your Store to preview the live version of your Shopify website. You should now see a visible search bar displayed instead of the standard search icon. This small customization can make searching products easier and more convenient for your customers. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to replace the search icon with the search bar in Shopify. Thanks for watching and goodbye.